Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the add, transfer and exchange. And in the bottom 5 tabs, we have the home, card, crypto, we have the sports, and in the bottom right corner, the rewards. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on Skrill. So first of all, as I told you, go and open your application if you haven't already done that. Then click on your profile icon in the top corner. So go and click on your profile icon. Like this in the top left corner. Then navigate to the settings option. So you need to go and find the, of course, settings option here on Skrill, which you can see here. And then when you're in the settings, click on account settings, click on change next to the language option, choose your preferred language from the, of course, list. Click save to apply the changes. Your Skrill interface should now be your selected language. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.